What's going on, guys? It's Kevin here with ModMyMods and another how-to video. This is the Alphacool Molex Extractor Kit, and what these tools are designed to do is help you with your different connectors, modifying cables, or even fixing cables. So the round ones are designed to work with Molex connectors. The skinnier one is designed to work with male Molex connectors, Molex pins actually, and the wider of the two, or three, are designed to work with the female ends of the Molex pins. So in order to depin a male Molex pin, you use the smallest one, and you push up on the cable and down onto the pin, and you'll hear it kind of click. And then pull the cable straight down. The pin comes right out. Repeat the process across the pins, and you can depin a cable in a matter of seconds. And there you are. Now, same with the female side. If you use the wider of the two, push it down over the pin, push the cable up, and you'll hear it click, and pull the cable right out. And again, you can repeat the process fairly quickly. The other tool that is included is designed for ATX pins. In order to remove the female side, you will need to use the sides of the tool to run along the sides of the pin. Again, pushing up on the wire and in on the connector and on the tool. Hear it snap like that, and pull the cable down. You can repeat the process again and depin a cable in a matter of minutes. Same process for the other side in the male pins. Toolkit is great for fixing, modifying, or even creating your own cables. Last but not least, you have this thin piece of metal, and what it's designed to do is help you in the aid of sleeving. What you're supposed to do is take a cable with the pin already on it, jam it in there till it hits to the bottom, and then feed your sleeving over the top of it. And instead of having to work it the whole way down the cable, you actually are using the metal rod to assist you in working the actual sleeving down the cable.